Let me show y'all some damages of a pole that got hit the other day that we will be repairing. We're gonna have to end up replacing this shaft. Good morning, guys, and welcome to a fascinating Jeep video. Today, we already got the top off, but we're gonna take these doors off as well.
You wanna undo your connector?
She's gonna teach me how to take off the doors at least. I ain't done it yet, but y'all haven't seen everything we've done so far to the Jeep because I haven't been filming it. But I added a camera right here, so now we got a little backup camera on it. What else we do? Just interesting little fun stuff. We done added some American flag, little valve stem caps. Love this little bullet antenna we done added to as well. Connectors off, and then
shut the door.
What do you got to remove? Oh, the outside pieces. Okay, that's pretty simple. All right, so we got to remove these pieces here, and then the door just pops right off. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, guys, we got the two pins pulled out here. Now I want to say, and the safety latch out. All we got to do, pick up on the door. Ain't too bad. It's just that easy to get it removed. All right, guys, and we have the doors off. They do not fit in the trunk, so if you read anything online that says they do, they don't. Don't attempt it. They don't fit. But we're gonna take the risk and see if we hit a summer shower or not, and we're just gonna leave the doors off and roll with it. All right, guys, so we've removed the doors from the Jeep, but while we're going to where we're going, let me show y'all some damages of a pole that got hit the other day that we will be repairing. We're gonna have to end up replacing this shaft and this ITS cabinet that's going up to a camera at the very top of this pole. This got hit yesterday, I want to say, and then we got to come out here now. Once we actually get a shaft that's going to fit these anchor bolts. Foundation looks good, no major cracks in it, so we're going to keep the foundation, but we're going to have to drop both of these mast arms, pick up this shaft, get it out of the way, and then set the new one and rehang both the mast arms, lights back up and everything like that, all in one night. So that's gonna be a fun one to do once we actually get the shaft in. The shaft's probably gonna take around 6 to 10 weeks to come in, maybe a little bit longer. I know last time our order for poles took quite a bit of time, but just something along the way and something we're gonna be working on. But the doors are off on the Jeep. It's a beautiful day. We may get a little bit of rain, but we'll see. I don't know. It's probably better for the video if we do get some rain. Let's get back to where we're going, huh?
Yeah, sweating. She's
sweating. It's hot. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that like button and also make sure to subscribe. Anyway, guys, y'all know that I love Monsters, specifically the Monster Zero Sugars. This one's a Zero Sugar Ultra Fiesta Mango, and we're gonna do a review right here. I'm trying this for the first time. Let's give it a try. Ah, tastes like a mango just came in my mouth. 4.3 out of 10. All right, this is the original Monster Zero Sugar. Let's give this one a try. Oh, everything that's good in life. 10 out of 10. Woo! Guys, we are leaving the grandparents' house. They all had a great time barbecuing a little bit and having some water balloon fights. Did y'all have fun?
Yeah!
A great time, water balloon fights, lunch, everything like that. Also, guys, make sure to follow or go subscribe to Fish in the South. That is my brother. So y'all go give him a follow. And look at this Corvette they just bought recently. Ooh, man, I wish I made worse financial decisions. Oh wait, I do. That's why I got a Jeep. And just so I can't get speeding tickets. Can't get speeding tickets in a Jeep. I'd get many speeding tickets in that thing. But let's get back to the house. I need to run up to the shop real quick, and we are gonna drop off this Polera CCU. I'm gonna be working nights tomorrow and next week, so one of our guys, they need to go ahead and drop this off to be shipped back to Polera on Monday. So I'm gonna load it up in the Jeep. Also got a nice little Econolite package, a little kit with band-aids and whatnot, first aid kit. So I'm gonna toss this inside of the Jeep as well, just so we have that in here just in case, right underneath the seat. That's perfect. Just go ahead and load up this Polera CCU inside of the Jeep. We're gonna take the Jeep up there, and then I got something cool to show y'all at the shop. So just picked up, this got a 5-pack on Amazon. We'll see how these hold up of some flush cutters. I needed a new pair, and it was only like $8 for a 5-pack of them. So I'm gonna use a new pair and then maybe give away a couple to our guys. Anybody that needs some. Also got a little flashlight, let's throw in there. Let's lock up the work truck and then take the Jeep to the shop. Then we'll come back, pick up the family, and maybe go get some dinner. Figure while we're here, y'all can get a little bit of a tour of the shop. There's one of our owners, his twin V that he has. They take us to Venice every now and again. Pretty much all the workers, employees they have will make a little trip down to Venice and stay in boat houses and go fishing offshore the whole time. There's his Jeep also, which kind of convinced me to get one. But his is all custom, you know, aluminum bumper, aluminum little rock. He does rock crawling and everything, a bunch of rock crawling. New custom roll cage, whatever you want to call it. This thing is like decked out for what he enjoys to do. Thing's sweet, especially when you tow it around and you don't have to drive it far. Do got a couple signal related things over here that are real cool. Our test bench is inside of that part of the shop, but show y'all back over here a little bit. An old signal head I took down a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, that y'all would probably be interested in. I need to go up and fix up. Well, let me roll over there real quick and show y'all. So I haven't restored these heads yet, and my plan is whenever I actually have a place and I'm not renting, I'll actually start restoring some of these heads. You can see some Black Widows now crawling around in them. But these are some older 3M style heads. This one looks real nice. And I wanted one of these type 3s, a 3-section head or 4-section head, inverted T signal here. And you got a little left turn arrow and everything there. These look real cool. And they got the little programmable. Sorry about that, a little bit of a phone call that I attend to. But these old 3M heads, they're a little bit more rare to come by now, and I think they would be real cool in the man cave. Need to restore them, maybe give them away, you know, somebody else can win them and have them. I don't have a lot of room for them, so maybe restore them on a video and then give them away to somebody. That'd be kind of cool. We can do it. But let's get out of the shop and let's go finish our weekend. It's hot out here. Kind of funny, my boss called right in the middle of being there, and yeah, he wanted to make sure it was me in the Jeep that was there on the cameras. But we have a bunch of security cameras. We all partake in the Second Amendment too, so feel like we're pretty secure and safe all the time. But he ain't seen the Jeep besides pictures on Facebook. Seems futuristic, but I know this is something that Walmart and everywhere else has always had. But we're just a little down south traffic signal company, kind of all rednecks and love fishing and hunting and whatnot, and rock crawling in Jeeps. And now we got luxuries like cameras and other kind of securities where we don't have to worry about our stuff getting stolen every night. Every time we leave, we used to have to spend an hour and a half at the end of days just blocking in trailers, blocking in anything and everything for the job site, make sure cabinets couldn't get stolen, signals couldn't get stolen. And now it's just real convenient. You pull up and there's gates, cameras, security, you know, the sheriff's department not even a mile down the road. Kind of luxury. Kind of luxuries. Now if we could just get all the ACs to work in every single bucket truck, bigger truck, everything like that we have like that, that would be even more luxury. But for what it is, security and just having a little bit of peace of mind, it's real nice to have as well. All right, guys, we got the bag. We went over here to Dickey's Barbecue and picked up some dinner. Now we're gonna go find a nice place to enjoy said dinner. And by the way, just a little hidden insight, Dickey's Barbecue, they offer kids eat free every Sunday. And they can get, like, you know, traditional chicken wings, whatever, anything brisket on the kids menu. So definitely check them out. We like to come here on Sundays because of that. So let's go find somewhere to eat. All right, guys, we have come to a local park and let the kids play. And look at all this for like 24 bucks. I got chicken wings. Avery over there, she got some chicken wings. Bailey got some chicken, some mac and cheese, a bunch of barbecue sauce, like 5 ribs, fried okra, fries, and sides. You just can't beat that for 25 bucks on the weekend. I'll check them out. They're gonna have a lot of fun. All right, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this little Sunday adventure. We need to get the kids to bed. I need to get this video edited and uploaded. So we're gonna go work on that stuff right now. And then it's staying up all night to be on the right schedule for night shift up next week that we will be working. And then within the next week or two, it's time to get back in that school schedule. My kids are going back to school, and then so that's going to be a little bit of a stressful week here soon coming up. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And as always, thanks for watching.